Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making Easter baskets for the dogs. The dogs will not be in today's video because they will eat these Easter baskets before Easter. But if you tune back closer to Easter, you can see the dogs open and enjoy their new goodies. So we're going to start with Shadow's Easter basket. So we picked up an Easter basket at Target. And then Shadow got a container of milk bones, his favorite. And then he also got an Easter bandana. He got this carrot toy from the Frau Schnau company. And then he also got this cocktail toy from the Bark company. And then also got this cocktail from the Bark company. Shadow likes these little toys. And then he also got the octopus, also from the Bark company. And then I picked him up some of his favorite biscuits. So they love these biscuits. I did them at Christmas time, and then at the end of the holiday season, I went back and got the rest while they're on clearance. So this one is pumpkin cinnamon. And then this one is gingerbread, which is the dog's absolute favorite. So they will be super excited to get a gingerbread cookie for Easter. And then I also picked up these holiday cookies for the dogs at Target. So Shadow will be getting a package of these. Here's one final look at Shadow's Easter basket. Okay, so next we're going to be doing Maya's Easter basket. Again, just picked up an Easter basket at Target. These are actually all from last year. And then Maya got this fun Bark Box dog toy. So inside there's all kinds of little toys, just like what would be inside the Bark Box. So this is from the Bark company. And then she got a pink hunky pig. And then she got a Nylabone dinosaur. The dinosaurs are their favorite. And then I also got her this Easy Hold Nylabone. Maya's favorite are squeaky tennis balls, so I got her this piggy toy made by the Bark company. So it's got 2 piggy tennis balls in it, and they sit inside a crackly bathtub. And then I also got her these little space tennis balls, as well as these little Easter Bunny tennis balls. And then she's also getting a gingerbread biscuit that I got from Target on clearance at the end of the Christmas season. And she's getting a pumpkin cinnamon biscuit that I also got on clearance at the end of the holiday season at Target. And then she also got a set of these Easter cookies with the bunny and the carrot, and these are also from Target. Here's one final look at Maya's Easter basket. And then lastly, we're going to do Owen's Easter basket. So again, we got him an Easter basket at Target. He got the Squeakables toy. It's like a Lunchable. It's from the Bark company, and it's got cheese and ham inside. And then he got this ball made by Kong, so he can play with this outside. And then he got a honky pig. And then he got some nylon toys because those are Owen's favorite. So he got a nylon banana. He got a nylon potato chip made by the Bark company. So's the banana. And then he also got a nylon bottle of glue, also made by the Bark Company. He's in the Secret Monster of the Month Club, so this month's Secret Monster we're going to put in his Easter basket. So he's got his Secret Monster. And then he's got his virtually indestructible ball. So this is a hard plastic. It doesn't give or anything, and he'll love to play with this outside. And then he also got a pumpkin cinnamon biscuit, as well as a gingerbread biscuit. And then he also got the Easter cookies from Target, the bunny and the carrot. Here's one final look at Owen's Easter basket. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching me put together the dogs' Easter baskets this year. Again, if you tune back closer to Easter, we will put up a video of the dogs opening their Easter baskets and enjoying all of their goodies. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more dog content.